So we can see that May's solution is -25 and Tyler's is -28. And we're supposed to figure out if we agree with their solutions. And if we take a look at the work that they did, you notice how it looks like May subtracted 1 from the left. But if you're going to subtract 1 from the left side to get to the first to the second line, if she subtracted 1, then -11 should actually become -12. So we do not agree with May. And then Tyler also has an issue here. He multiplied both sides of his equation by 5 because he wanted to get rid of that denominator, but he forgot to do it to the 1. Like, he didn't actually distribute to everything inside of the parentheses. So he didn't do it correctly either. They are both incorrect.